Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to show you one of the best side hustles you can embark on in 2024. That is design and sell pattern design. So in today's video I'm going to demonstrate two parts. The first part, how we can sell and earn from selling pattern designs, and the second part, where we can get all these pattern designs for free. So now let's begin with the first part, how we can make money online just by selling pattern designs. And of course, first of all, we all know pattern design is a seamless and the repetition of graphics and photos and shapes in an aesthetic way. So the first way to make money online selling pattern designs is just by using print-on-demand business. Of course, you can head over to some amazing print-on-demand platforms. On top of them, Etsy.com or Zazzle or Redbubble, Site6, and so on, where we can actually insert and upload your pattern designs on different items. Either they are apparel, such as t-shirts, dresses, leggings, and so on, or home decor items such as shower curtains, masks, pillows, duvet cover, and so on and so forth. All you need to do, just you can upload your pattern design and optimize your title, descriptions, and tags, and so on, to make sure your design and your products appeared on the marketplace if possible. And of course, you've got to promote all these items on social media as well. So the first way to make money online from selling pattern designs, just in print-on-demand business. And the second field, creating a pattern designs as a gig on freelance platforms. For example, if we head over to Fiverr.com, here we can find many people are providing this amazing gig to create pattern designs in different niches, in different topics, as you see. Like this one, for example, I will design seamless floral patterns in 1 day and get money from this gig, as you observe. So actually, if you have your ability and your skills to create all these patterns, just you can provide this gig on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Bill per Hour, Goro, and such. And the third way to make money online, just you can sell all these pattern design as a digital product. So if anyone clicks over this link, he would download this pattern design in his device. And of course, you can sell all these digital products, including pattern design, in different platforms for free. And I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment an amazing list, the best free websites to sell your digital products, including them Etsy.com, for example, and CreativeFabrica.com, where you can actually create a free shop or a store to sell your digital products and your pattern designs. And here you can earn up to 75% on each sale, as you see. And likewise, there is an amazing website as well to sell your digital products and your pattern design, that is Creative Marketing. So now, just to move on to the second part, where we can get all these pattern designs for free. First way, actually you can get them ready to use and done for you pattern designs. Of course, you can get all these designs from premium websites. On top of them, CreativeFabrica.com. Here you can find huge amounts of different designs, graphics, vectors in different topics, in different niches. So for example, you can head over to search bar and look for pattern, some keywords about any topic like dogs, for example. So we can search for patterns for dogs, and here you can find a plethora of different amazing patterns for dog niche, as you see. And the second way to make this and create all these patterns, by using the artificial intelligence. For example, you can head over to Lexica.com, one of the best websites to generate high quality and amazing images like Midjourney. Here, if we search for something like pattern, dogs, here you can find a wide range of these beautiful pattern designs for dogs, as you see. And of course, you can generate these designs yourself from this button, generate. or you can head over to ideogram.ai, where actually you can sign up for free and insert your prompt that describes your pattern you want to generate, and you will get spectacular pattern designs. And here in this way, by using the AI websites, you've got to pay attention to your prompt or your description. Thus, I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment the big list of the best Midjourney free alternatives to generate amazing images and designs, and another awesome list for websites that provide you done for you prompts for ChatGPT and Midjourney. And the third way to generate and create pattern designs by using AI tools that is specialized to generate pattern designs. Like this one, for example, patternico.com. Here you can generate your pattern designs for free in just a matter of seconds. All you have to do, just you can head over to this emoji patterns, click over it. Then you will take into this page where actually you can head over to this box where you can find huge amounts of graphics and arrows, shapes, and so on. Therefore, if you want to make a pattern design of a specific shape or a graphic like this one, for example, drag and drop into this box, and it will be applied to the final result of a pattern design you want to generate, as you see. So you can actually drag another one like this one displaying, as you see. And the best part here, you can also customize this graphic, like you can make it bigger, smaller, or you can change its round and so on and so forth, or you can remove one of them. Perfect, as you see. You can change this background color from yellow to different color as you like. You can customize its transparency, canvas size. You can make it 1000, 1000, 8000 width and height, and so on and so forth. Then export this pattern design as PNG. And likewise, this awesome website that is Pilify.app. It's similar to the previous website to generate pattern design just by drag and drop some graphics to be a seamless pattern design. And of course, you can get all these graphic design with a transparent background for free for commercial use from different websites like freesvg.org and publicdomainvectors.org. Then you can actually go to this upload image or graphic and upload your own graphics from your device, like this one, for example. And here you can change its round, as you see, its angle, make it bigger, smaller, as you want. Change the background from this option and download from this arrow. And the third website by using the AI to generate pattern designs, that is patterned.ai. Here, all you need to do, just you can insert your prompt to generate specific and special pattern design from A to Z. And to your knowledge, here you can find this pattern AI, an application on Canva.com in the apps section. So you can use pattern.ai as well on Canva.com. And the fourth way to generate pattern designs professionally by using Canva.com as well. Here you can go to Canva and here you can actually create your pattern designs like for butterflies, emojis, and so on by using Canva only. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.